the end of the week now, isn't it? So, I hope you really, that's really bright now. We'll go from one extreme to another. I hope you enjoyed getting ready for me this morning. I love doing them kind of videos.
Oh, it's beautiful woman. Oh,
what are you on? What are you on?
God, what's that line?
Say hello, Jessie.
Hello, Jessie.
You make me laugh, you do.
Oh no, shower shade.
Oh, you're going halfway now? After ruining my intro, you're leaving me.
I didn't ruin anything, I've made it better.
No, you didn't.
Made it. Oh, what's that?
What?
What's that?
Hello.
Don't know. Anyway, before we were rudely interrupted by Norman, there was a suspicious mark on the carpet, and it's just mud. I think Terry thought it was something else, but it's not. So thank God. But anyway, so yeah, I hope you all have had a lovely week. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me this morning, because I love doing them kind of videos. And then you can see I didn't put this on in when I was recording me getting ready, but I just thought I'd add a proper colour. I've been looking at my previous videos, like my old ones, and I used to wear lipstick all the time, and for some reason I just stopped wearing it. So I thought it's time to bring the lipstick back, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah. Today we are actually hosting a little fireworks party. There's not many of us. It's just going to be us and Lisa and Will and the kids and my mum and dad as well. We kind of decided last minute we were going to do it, so we thought it'd be nice. A little bit of a birthday celebration for me, because it was my birthday yesterday, wasn't it? And yeah, just a bit of, because I wanted to bring Jesse to fireworks, but I'm not sure if he's going to like them or not. And I didn't really want to pay for a ticket, so I thought we'd just have them in our own. We're all gone? Okay, I'll get some more in a minute. I just thought we'd have them in our own house, and then if he doesn't like them, he can come inside and we can stay outside and watch them, so that'd be good. Are you coming back up now? Oh God. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. So this morning we need to go to Aldi and just get a food shop. Hang on a second. Hang on a minute. Right, there we go.
On the chair.
So this morning we just need to go to Aldi and get a food shop, and then we're going to go to B&Q and just get a couple of bits for decorating, because we're going to decorate a little hall bit tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and then we're going to come back and just get ready. I need to do a bit of cleaning, need to put the jackpots on and just get ready for everyone to come round, because we're going to have dinner here as well. So yeah, that's our day, and we will take it with us. So first thing I need to do is put the washing on the line, because it's finished. First up, B&Q. Christmas. Oh, look at these, Jessie. Oh my gosh. Should we get one of these? Should we get one of these to put outside our house? Yeah? Should we get one of them?
Penguin.
Penguin, yeah. Next up, Aldi.
Bacon.
I swear this lipstick is getting brighter and brighter by the second. I swear it's a lot brighter than it was this morning. Doesn't matter. We just got home, we've unpacked all the food. Jesse's just having some lunch, and then Norman's just cooking up for Storm for lunch, aren't you, Norman?
I am.
Look at him, Chef Norman. Aren't I lucky to have a husband like you?
Damn right.
We've got some cheesecake for lunch later as well. Yummy, yummy. Yeah, we got just went shopping. Just got the usual in Aldi, just a weekly shop, and then we went to B&Q and we got the paint to paint our little what do you call it, porch back way. But we're going to use the same colour in the living room, so we got a huge pot of it. Got a rake for the garden. Got Jessie a canvas freeze room, it's like a marble one. So, and his room is going to be superhero themed, so that fits perfectly. And it's only 15 quid and it's huge. It's so big, so that's a good bargain. What else did we get? And a lampshade freeze room. That's it. I'll show it all to you later. I can't remember right now. I'll just put it all back up upstairs. Yeah, we'll go have some lunch and then Terry's going to go to Tesco and just get a couple of bits that we can get in Aldi. And then I'm going to clean up because it needs to be cleaned before everyone else comes around. I'm going to take my broom and sweep the yard. He's doing such a good job, isn't he? Getting the garden ready for our fireworks. It's a bit later on now. My camera died while I was cleaning earlier when I was cleaning the bathroom, so I had to put it on charge. But yeah, we're all done now, all nice and tidy, everything's ready to go. We've got the jackpots in the oven, we've got everything set up over here. We're just waiting for everyone to get in now. Terry's raked the garden so there's no leaves out there. It's all good. I'm quite excited actually, it's really fun. So yeah, we're just waiting for everyone to get in and then we can start the fun. Is a wrap. Everyone's gone home now. We have just cleaned up and I'm just sitting here enjoying my gin and tonic that Terry got me for my birthday. Oh, it's such a lovely evening though. Like, we had such a good time, wasn't it? Yeah. Most of everyone ran, we had a bit of dinner together, we done some fireworks. The kids just run riot as usual. Jessie and Jack are just so loud together. Like, but it's nice to see how close they are as well. And like Harry was just like wanting to join in, but obviously can't because she's small. But yeah, it's really, really, really nice. It's about, what is it, 9 o'clock now? Half 9? Half 9 now. Jessie's literally just gone to bed, so fingers crossed that he lays in a bit tomorrow. Because that would be nice to have a bit. Well, it's my day to lay anyway, so I think Terry's hoping that he lays in tomorrow, aren't you?
Oh, he's knackered tonight.
Yeah, he's knackered, so. But we all had a really good time, it was really good. It's better than our usual Saturday nights, I must say. Yeah, so we're just sitting down now, enjoying a drink, and then watch a bit of telly, and then I think we're just going to go to bed as well. We said we're going to try and make a bit more of an effort not to go to bed so early on a Saturday and a Sunday. Well, no, a Friday and a Saturday. We still end up going to bed between half 9 and 10. And like, it's just we need to stay up a bit later. It's late, it's the weekend for goodness sake. We need to make the most of it, so we're going to try and do that. But yeah, I think I'm just going to end the vlog here because we're not going to do much now. So yeah. You got anything you want to say, Norman? He's enjoying his pork scratches.
Jim Bean and Coke. I'm alright.
He's a happy bean. Get it? Jim Bean, happy bean. Boom boom. Yeah, so I'm just going to leave it here. So thanks for coming around for us today. I hope you enjoyed coming around with us. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you've been up to this weekend because I'd love to know. And yeah, we will catch you next week. See you later guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.